Welcome back to N Solutions. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning algorithms. Specifically, we'll be discussing three popular algorithms: linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. So let's get started. First up, we have linear regression. This algorithm is widely used for predicting numerical values based on historical data. Imagine you have a dataset that represents the relationship between a person's years of experience and their salary. Linear regression helps us build a line that best fits this data, allowing us to predict someone's salary based on their experience. Moving on to decision trees. This algorithm is all about making decisions based on a series of questions. Picture a flowchart-like structure where each node represents a question, and the branches represent possible answers. By answering a series of questions, the decision tree guides us towards a final prediction or decision. Lastly, we have neural networks. This algorithm is inspired by the human brain and consists of interconnected nodes, known as artificial neurons or perceptrons. These nodes work together to process and interpret complex patterns in data. Neural networks are especially powerful for tasks like image and speech recognition, as they can learn from large amounts of labeled data. Now that we've briefly introduced these three algorithms, let's take a closer look at how they work. Linear regression operates on the principle of fitting a line to our data points. It calculates the best fit line by minimizing the difference between the predicted values and the actual values. This line allows us to make predictions based on new data points, giving us insights into trends and relationships. Decision trees work by recursively splitting the data based on specific features until it reaches a final decision or prediction. Each split is determined by a question that optimally divides the data into homogeneous subsets. By traversing this tree-like structure, we can classify or predict outcomes for new data. Neural networks are composed of layers of artificial neurons that work in unison. Each neuron receives inputs, applies a mathematical transformation, and passes the result to the next layer. This process continues until we reach the output layer, which provides us with the final prediction. Through a training process called backpropagation, neural networks adjust their weights to minimize prediction errors. And there you have it, an introduction to three popular machine learning algorithms: linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. These algorithms have revolutionized the way we solve complex problems and make predictions. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to machine learning algorithms. There are many more out there waiting to be explored. So stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.